Drip irrigation users from worldwide are well aware that drip irrigation is the optimal choice for arid areas. Drip irrigation is a technology in which water, under specific pressure, is filtered and then evenly and slowly dripped into the soil near the plant through a drip irrigation system and dripper. This method enables precise local irrigation, providing not only supplemental water, but also numerous advantages such as water conservation, uniform irrigation, energy conservation, improved soil adaptability, increased yield potential, labor savings, and simplified field cultivation. It finds extensive application in economic crops like fruits, vegetables, flowers, greenhouses, as well as in regions with severe water scarcity requiring large-scale irrigation. Moreover, it can be employed for sandy or saline soils with high permeability and poor water retention capacity along with field crops such as wheat, corn, and potatoes. Currently widely promoted and adopted globally due to its stable and consistent water output along with its simple structure and durability. Most importantly, it is cost-effective, while being suitable for various soil types across different terrain within diverse ecological environments worldwide.